There comes the train, part 2, guys. Uh-oh. Come on, Gates, come on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? But that's a lot of car stacks too, though. Woo.
Yeah, it is.
Really cool, guys. They're doing it. I thought they stopped, didn't you?
No.
Because it sounded like they did, because it sounded like clang, clang, clang. Now it sounds kind of like they're stopping. Doesn't it? Yeah. Oh no. And of course the tankers are the last ones, aren't they, Mimi? Oh, there's a white one. White tanker. 2 of them. Nice. Three tankers left, guys. 2 more, actually, after this. No, 3. 3, sorry, guys. See, it looks like they're stopping.
Yeah, it does now.
Yep, they stopped. Wow. I thought they were going for sure. Oh, they're probably switching because the people are still down there. I wasn't expecting that. Were you? Yep, I knew it. I knew that truck was going to do that.
Shoot, feels like garbage.
Yeah, there's a garbage truck behind it. That's why.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Windows up. I'm joking. Or maybe. I knew it. Now they're booking it. I was expecting them not to book it, you know? They're probably just putting that there so maybe... Oh, that would be in the way of the train, though. Switching down to the yard. But I don't know. I know what they might be doing. They might be going to the 60 tanker thing. You know? Or they might just be switching down there, here, like they did the last time, you know? With 4427 or something like that. 1427, something. Yeah, I bet that's what they're doing. I wasn't even shaking when they honked that time. Now they stopped again. Wow. I bet they're going to be disconnecting some cars and then putting these cars. Oh, look, they're walking. I can see them. The green guy. And then there's the orange guy. Green guy, orange guy. Wow. That's weird. Why would they be disconnecting or something? That's very weird. This is a great day, dude. I love how they just take their time. It's funny. Wow. Now they're going a little bit. No. Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? I kinda hear them trying to go, don't you?
No.
See? I saw the black things kind of wobbling for a minute.
Really?
Because of how fast they kind of went, you know, trying to... Look how fast they're going now. Just like when they were going backwards. It's kind of weird, isn't it? Wait, were they putting those tankers there for a local to come get it, I wonder? Because that's what they do sometimes. They put it on the main line for another train to pick up sometimes. Nope, they still have them. Wow. You can tell they're booking it, can't you?
Not really.
Looks like they're going 15, 20, or 25. Which they probably can't go 20 or 25, but... For me, it looks like they're booking it. To me. He was probably just waiting for them to get on. You know? Like he moved backwards just to be nice for them to switch it and then, you know? Like so they won't crash into any other cars or anything. Wow. I don't know where the ELT or whatever is, but I don't see it, do you? Oh, now no, I don't. Wow. Alright, good job, 2649. Glad you did it. Good job honking at me too, guys. Very good job.